नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप लोगों को मोटिवेशनल आर्यन क्लासेस में स्वागत है। मैं आशा और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप जहां कहीं भी होंगे अच्छे होंगे। मेरे प्यारे, आज मैं जो मैथमेटिक्स है उसका जो पहला क्लास जो फार्मूला का है उसके बारे में चर्चा कर रहा हूं। वो है नंबर सिस्टम। इसमें जो टोटल जो मेरा क्लास है वो 48 चैप्टर है और हर चैप्टर का मेरा अलग अलग वीडियो है। आप उसको देखें समझें। और जो मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है 7631604121 7631604121। अब हम लोग वीडियो के बारे में बढ़ते हैं। नंबर सिस्टम में जो आता है वो सबसे पहले नंबर क्या होता है। नंबर एक कैरेक्टर और कैरेक्टर्स which represent the magnitude of object or answer of the question how many is called number. As for example, 5 books. Here 5 is a number and how many teeth in your mouth? Answer 32. Here 32 is a number. Next point, symbol. The symbol of number is no. Why? The word number is derived from Latin word numerology. The first and the last letter of number are N or O. So the symbol number is no. Next, digit. A character or character by which number is made in any system of numerication is called digit. In the decimal system, there are 10 digits as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, numeral. A character or characters or a group of symbol which represent number is called numeral. Next, natural number. The counting number or the integer which are greater than 0 are called natural number. As for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The natural number is also known as positive integer. Next, whole number. Natural number including 0 are called whole number. As for example, the set of whole number is denoted by W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next, integer. Next, integer. Minus 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3 are known as integer. The set of integer is denoted by Z. And next, Z is equal to minus 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 0. 0 is called 0 integer. 0 is called 0 integer. Its other name is now infinite. Is read a not 0, neither positive neither negative. यानी 0 न पॉजिटिव होता है और न ही निगेटिव होता है. A specific integer. An integer which has only one factor is called a specific integer. There is only one example of a specific integer. It is one. वन एक स्पेसिफिक इंटीजर है। नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर एन इंटीजर which has only two factor is called prime integer. एग्जाम्पल 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 etc. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कंपोजिट इंटीजर an integer which has more than two factor is called composite integer. For example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 etc. Next, co-prime integer, those two integers which have no common factor other than 1 are known as co-prime integer. For example 5, 7, 6, 7. Next, twin prime integer, a set of two. Next point, twin prime number, a set of two consecutive prime integer differently या divisible by 2 is called a twin or prime integer. For example 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13 etc. Next point, even number, even integer, the integers which are completely divisible by 2 is called an even number. 2, 4, 6 etc. Odd integer, the integer which not completely divisible by 2 is called integer ऑड नंबर या ऑड इंटीजर। दोनों नाम से इसको बोल सकते हैं, कोई गलत नहीं है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, प्राइम ट्रिपलेट। प्राइम ट्रिपलेट जो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, देयर सम 1 + 2 + 3 + 6 = 12 या 2 × 6. So 6 is a perfect integer. And next example 28 factor. 28 factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Their sum is 1 + 2 + 4 + 7 + 14 + 28. 56 = 2 × 28. So 28 is a perfect integer. Rational number, which is a simplest form p/q, which या where p and q are integer but q = not 0, known as rational number. For example 3/4, 5/7 irrational number. The real number which is not rational is called irrational number. In other words, the real number which is in the simplest form p by q, where at least one or both p by q are not integer, q is equal to not 0, called irrational number. For example, root 3, root 5, root 5 by 7, root 7 by 8, etc. And next, note, every rational number is not fraction, but every fraction is not a rational number. Example, for example, 5 by 8 is a rational number as well as fraction, but 16 by 18 is a fraction but not a rational number, while 16 by 18 is equal to 8 by 9. Here 8 by 9 is a both rational number and fraction. Next, value of pi. Pi is a Greek letter. It is a ratio of circumference to the diameter of the circle. Pi is equal to circumference by diameter. Pi is a constant quantity. Pi is a irrational number. It is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. 3.140845 is less than pi is less than 3.4142 according to Greek mathematician. Pi is equal to 3.14 according to Indian mathematics and Greek astronomer Aryabhat. 456 to 550 approximate value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. The value of pi is equal to 355 by 113 of 4 6 decimal place. Next, Ramanujan calculate the value of pi till 1 lakh decimal places in 1995 to Japanese researcher Yang-Sung Kanada and D. Suki Taksmasi found the value of pi till to 22 billion decimal places with the help of computer. Next point, property of real number. Closure property, the sum and product of two real number is always real number. A plus B is equal to C. Closure property of addition, D into E is equal to F. Closure property of multiplication, where A, B, C, D, E and F are real number. Commutative law, A plus B is equal to B plus A is called commutative law of addition. A into B is equal to B into A is called commutative law of multiplication. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, मेरे प्यारे, मेरा वीडियो यदि अच्छा लग रहा है तो लाइक शेयर और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। यदि मेरा वीडियो अच्छा नहीं लगा तो डिसलाइक ज़रूर कीजिए, ताकि हमें ये शिक्षा मिलता है कि अभी हमें वीडियो में और सुधार की आवश्यकता है। यथासंभव मैं प्रयास करूँगा कि अधिक से अधिक मटेरियल आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड हो सके। मेरा जो चैनल है मोटिवेशनल आर्यन क्लासेस, अब जो है नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो कि और हम लोग बढ़ रहे हैं वो है नोट, देयर इज ए नो कम्युनिकेटिव लॉ ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन। ए माइनस बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी माइनस ए, या A divided by B not equal to B divided by A, where A and B are different real number. Next point, associative law. A plus B is equal to A plus B plus C बराबर A plus B plus C is called associative law addition. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C is called associative law of multiplication. Next, distributive law. A into B, B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is known as distributive property. Next point, additive inverse. When the sum of two numbers is 0, then one number is additive inverse of other. For example, additive inverse of 2 is minus 2 and additive inverse minus 2 is 2. Similarly, additive inverse of 5 by 7 is minus 5 by 7 क्योंकि additive inverse of a rational number A is minus A. And next point, multiple inverse. When the product of two rational numbers is 1, then one rational number is a multiplicative inverse of other. 5 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1. So, multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 by 5, या 3 by 7 into 7 by 3 is equal to 1. Note, multiplicative inverse of A is 1 by A, where A is not equal to 0. Note, 0 has no multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 1 and minus 1 are and minus 1 respectively. Next, face value. Face value and place value. There are two values of every digit in a number. Face value, place value. 3, 4, 7, 3. 3 face value 3 and place value 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 7 face value 7 and place value 7 into 10. 4 face value 4 and place value 4 into 100. Face value 3, place value 3 into 1000. Law of division. Divisor, dividend, quiotient, remainder. Important formula. Dividend is equal to divisor and quiotient plus remainder. Next formula, quiotient dividend minus remainder by divisor. Next, divisor is equal to dividend minus remainder by quiotient. Next, remainder is equal to dividend minus divisor into quiotient. Next point, easy method to identify the real number, imaginary number. Let there is a number A, find A square. If A square greater than 0, then A is a real number. If A square equal 0, then A is a real number. If A square less than 0, then A is a imaginary number. Next one, मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप ये जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं वो है मोटिवेशनल आर्यन क्लासेस। और आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा बहुत भी अच्छा लग रहा हो तो लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, ताकि आने वाला जो भी वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपके मोबाइल पर जा सके। नेक्स्ट जो है मेमोरेबल। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट मेमोरेबल। नेक्स्ट सॉरी। अब जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो वो है मेमोरेबल। In the old age, x square plus 1 is equal to 0 has no solution. At after Frederick Guesses solved this question and started its solution. X is equal to plus minus root minus 1. Just after Frederick Guesses, a Swiss mathematician, Leonhard and Euler started the solution of x square plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus I. Here I is a Greek letter iota. Its meaning is imaginary. Unit of imaginary number is equal to minus 1 is equal to I. Complex number. If a and b are two real numbers, then a plus b ib is called complex number. It is denoted by z. Z is equal to a plus ib. Note, each real number is a complex number and each imaginary number is a not complex number. Sorry dear. Each real number is a complex number and each imaginary number is a complex number. Absolute value of real number. If x is a real number, then x is called absolute of x. X is equal to x if is greater than 0, minus x if x is less than 0. Example 2 and 2. Dear, this is a mathematics formula. You solve, you write in this copy and solve number line. The line on which a number is represented by line number 0 is HOD, left side minus and right side positive. Decimal irrational number, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal represent. And next point, decimal point, non-terminating. Okay. And next point, pure and recurring decimal. That decimal number in which all digits after decimal are called symmetric order is called pure recurring number. For example, 0.94537 are the example of pure recurring decimal. Dear 30 mixed repeating decimal, and you can see and read to self and test disability. And for example, this is a mathematics formula and divisible by 3. Example, the sum of each digit 1 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 15 is which is divisible by 3 and divisible by 4, 5, 6, 7. You self read. Note, a number which has same 6 digit is divisible by 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. Next, 18. Mathematician, plus sign and minus. And next point, Roman number 1, 1, 2, 2. This is a Roman number. This is a Roman number 10, 10. And methods of writing in Roman number, you can see this point. You can see this point, and you again and again self press tick. Invention of zero. Here is a point, invention of zero. The figure 0 has been brought into percentage science. The Vedic civilization period. The suppose that an Indian mathematician has invented the figure of 0. It also the various another names the not is which is mostly of the physical A0 is equal to real. Place value chart, unit, thousand, lakh, crore, arab, kharab, nil, pardum, units, thousand, million, billion, trillion, etc. And a number 543213. And next point, the sum of important tree, the sum of n number in is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is a important formula. The sum of cube of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 के whole square by 2. n into and next point, the sum of first n multiple of is equal to x into n plus 1 by 2. This is a important formula. You see several times again and again. You watch my video, then formula remember to permanently. One times you cannot complete 100%, so you read and write several times. You read and write several times, then you complete a number system formula. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट multiplier, multiplicated product of multiple. For example, 22 into 2 is equal to 40. तो multiplicand 22 multiplier and 40 product. And next one, the smallest natural number is 1. The largest natural number is unknown. You see my video several times, then you complete mathematician formula. One times you read not complete, then you see this video several times, then you complete. Okay dear, this is a number system formula. You read and write several times, then you complete a number system formula. Formula is a very important in a mathematician chapter. Without formula, you cannot solve to any question. Is according to my feeling, any word, any mathematics formula, you read, write and listen several times, then you completed and more than more achieve in a examination number. Suppose that you command the mathematician formula, then your mathematics subject complete. As for example, my body is need for water, then same as the prakriya, formula needs to mathematics. Same process, my dear. ये जो नंबर सिस्टम का ये जो फार्मूला था और मेरा वीडियो यदि आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आप लोगों को मोटिवेशनल आर्यन के तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आप जहाँ कहीं भी रहें खुशहाल रहें। ये मोटिवेशनल आर्यन की तरफ से आप लोगों को बधाई है डियर। और मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है 7631604121। चैनल अच्छा लग रहा है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाइए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अधिक से अधिक लोगों के पास शेयर कीजिए। ओके डियर, थैंक यू।